Hi guys, today we're gonna be doing Millennium Falcon shooter game. That's gonna be cool. So gonna be something like that. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Yeah, so let's go. So create project. Creating project. Okay, so delete the sprite, the cat. Create a new sprite. Call it Falcon. That's Falcon. Falcon. Yeah. So we're gonna be doing the Millennium Falcon. Okay, let's start. So gonna take out that. You're gonna want to do a circle like that. This. Yeah, like that. What we're gonna be doing is take this like a pixel like that. You're gonna take that tool, put it like this, and like that. Duplicate it. So copy and paste. You're just gonna wanna flip it version like that. Flip it. Put it like that. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah. And create a square, put it there. Wait, yeah. And create another one like this. Now you're gonna take that tool and like this. Wait, like this. Yeah. And set size to 200. That's cool. So now we're gonna go to codes. Take a move 10 steps, a turn 15 degrees, and another turn 15 degrees. So go to event, when clicked, take a forever loop, and you're gonna take 3 if statements like that. Take the move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, and the other turn 15 degrees. You're gonna put it in the forever loop and go to sensing. Take when key space pressed, put up. When key up arrow is pressed, then it will move 10 steps. So it's gonna move 10 steps. Yeah, wait, take 2 of them. Whoops, put it there. Now this, since it's going over there, you're gonna take a right arrow in here. Since it can go over there, you're gonna take a left arrow. So left arrow. Now we should work, I think. Whoop, oh no. Wait, I think I know what happened. Yeah, go to costume. Take that tool, put it like that, and move it like this. Yeah, it should work now. Yeah, so it's working. I think there's a problem. I don't know, there's something. Wait. Yeah, it's better to center it. Yeah, like that, I guess. Yeah, that's cool. Yay. Yeah. So now you're gonna create a new sprite. Yeah, so we're gonna call it falcon. Yeah, I forgot. Wait, oops, falcon. That one you're gonna call it I don't know, like speed, I guess. Okay, call it speed. And take the colors. You should take like a blue. Like that's pretty good. It's, yeah. Close, and put like 2, like no, 4, yeah. Gonna draw something like that. Take that tool now, and you kind of want to do a smiley face, like a smile, sorta, like that, like this, and yeah, that'll do it. It's not the best, but I'll fix it later. 200, yeah, and yeah, you're gonna want to put it like this, like that. Yep. Go to codes. Now you're gonna take a, whoops, go to events, and when I receive speed, whoops, speed, when I receive speed, so here you're gonna broadcast speed, forever broadcast speed. So yeah, when I receive speed, forever loop, forever self. Yeet. And wait. When I start as a clone, go to sound, looks, take a show, take a hide, go to events, take a when green flag is clicked, then hide, show when I start as clone, go to motion, take a go to falcon, then take a set size, a set color and a set size, set coast effect to 0, put it here, there, then take a point in direction, then go to sensing, go here, take that, put it here, put falcon, and oops, and direction. After, take a repeat 10 times, go to looks, take a change, and change size by -10, effect by 25, coast effect. No, you know what? You're gonna put 10 here, -10 here, and delete clone. Controls, delete this clone. And now we can try it. here, and it works. Yeah. So this is how you do a shooter game. It's not finished. I'm gonna do a part 2 where you can shoot, and I'm gonna do enemies. So that's it. Peace. Bye.